Hello guys, welcome to another video. And today nandito tayo sa may SM North. At meron lang kami bibilin kasi balak namin ulit mag camping. And kulang kami ng tent. So, and punta tayo dito sa isa sa mga binibilhan namin ng mga camping equipment, which is Decathlon. Tara, see you there. Alright guys, so pupunta na tayo dito sa may Decathlon. And na-try na kasi namin bumili ng equipment before. I know there are a lot of other shops kung saan pwede bumili ng mga camping equipment, pero dito kasi tried and tested na namin. So even though merong mga shops na mas mura, or kahit sa online especially, dami rin mga bilihan online na na mura talaga, pero equipment, especially tents, dapat talaga yung yung medyo high quality talaga. And I know Decathlon offers higher quality than other brands. Alright, so hindi na tayo sa loob. Actually, yung nabili naming una na tent is this one. And ganyan yan siya. Ito siya, 4,990. And 4,990. I think hindi pa naman siya nagpapalit ng price. Pero dito kasya, I think 3 adults. Malalaki din. And ito talaga, tried and tested namin to. Binagyo kami sa may Bataan, sa may Blue Turtle Cove. Kaya binagyo kami doon, as in talagang walang pumasok na tubig sa loob. And malamig, tsaka kapag tirik ang araw, hindi ganun kainit yung temperature sa loob. So okay na okay talaga yan. I also noticed itong isa. Yan. Ito, ang ganda siya. Kasi dalawang entrance niya. Yan. Kita ninyo. Ito. This is the first entrance and then the other one. And of course, yung material. The material's nice. Even this one. Yun lang. Ang difference niya kasi dito sa isa, itong isang to, yan, yung pangalawang siya pinakita ko, wala siyang harang sa may kilid. Unlike itong isa. Kasi itong isa, ayun, punong-puno ng harang hanggang dito sa may ilalim. Yan. So talagang covered yan. Kaya mas sa akin mas okay yun. Difference is 200 pesos. Kasi 5,190 itong isa. And then the other one was 4,990 kasi older model naman siya. And ito naman yung gusto namin bilhin. So ito. So yan, mataas siya. And talaga, kapag kapasok nyo dito sa loob, nakabagsak lang to. Itong, I don't know what they call this. Pero parang roof niya dito sa may harap. Pero dito sa loob, as in, ayan, sobrang lawak. Ayan, ang taas. Pwede kang nakatayo. Hindi ka mahihirapan. Yung iba kasi, yung katulad nung namin, isang tent namin, pagkapasok mo, syempre nakaluhod ka. So medyo mahihirapan ka talaga. Pero dito, I think this is itong ilalim na to. Kasya dito kasya queen size most likely. And dito kasya queen size dito, and then you also have this one. So pwede kang maglagay ng an additional bed, or eto nga katulad nito, foldable na higaan. Okay din siya. Last time may nakita ko parang upuan naman. So ayan, or maganda dito kasi kapag hindi naman naulan, pwedeng dito sa may ibabaw yan, dito sa may labas mismo. Yan, etong part na to, okay dito na mag-setup ka ng ng pagkain mo or lutuan mo or whatever. Pwede dito. Okay. Then you also have your seats, of course. Yan yung mga ganyan. Alright. Tara, check natin yung ibang mga camping equipment. Tingnan natin. At saka pati yung mga presyo. Guys, kung naghahanap kayo ng table for camping, This is for 3,890. Designed for campers. This is quite nice actually. Standing probably mga, I don't know, about 2 feet, 3 feet. Itong size niya, yung taas niya. And then for this one, the length, hindi nakasulat dito eh, pero probably 3 feet din, probably 3 feet din. And then you also have other things in here, and itong mga to kailangan din yan. Pero if you're a beginner or you just want to, you know, spend time camping, first timer ka mag-camp, I suggest yung sobrang basic lang muna. Of course, you really need to have a very good quality of tent. That's one. Yung higaan, depende naman yan eh. Kung gusto nyo, kung meron kayong mga, kung pwedeng mga patong-patong lang na mga, na mga, I don't know, carpet. I'm not sure. Pero nasa sa inyo na yan. Pero definitely tent is a must. What else? Yung mga cooking wares, yan. Kung magluluto kayo. Dun sa of course kung mag-overnight, magluluto kayo niyan, or kapag sakaling naman, parang day tour, parang ganyan. So, probably meron ko yung mga food na lang nadala or bibilhin. What else? Inuman, ayan, yung mga water bottle. If you have a water bottle, kung meron na kayo water bottle na maayos ngayon, bring it. What else? Siyempre, mga pamaypay, upuan. Ayan. Oh, by the way, upuan, yun pala, nandito. So, check natin yung mga upuan. Ayan, nasa ibabaw. Ayan. So, they have different types of seats or chairs there. Ayan. Nandito siya. Ayan. So, mayroong mga tables, mayroong mga chairs. Ayan. Ang dami rin. So, ito meron kami niyan. Ito. So, tatlong seat, and then kapag sinarado mo siya, yun lang siya. So, as easy as it is, madaling i-set up, madaling dalhin, hindi siya space consuming. Same goes with the other ones as well. Kung gusto mong chumil, katulad nung pupuntahan namin, ayan, syempre kailangan na mayroong kalalagyanan. Ayan, so okay din yan. Alright, that's 1,290. I think this is 1,290 as well. Meron silang parang buy 3 chairs for 3,290 instead of 3,870. So meron din yan. Okay, tapos of course, aside from the chairs, ano pa ba? I think yun lang eh. May chair ka, may table ka, meron kang tent, meron kang higaan, and meron kang lutuan. Ayun, so all those things. Food, of course, food containers. Ayan. So kapag ka medyo tumatagal-tagal na kayo ng pagka-camping, ayan, unti-unti na rin kayo nag-add. Probably ito nga yung airbed, or you can also add a better quality of chair, better quality of a table. You will have siguro ito yung mga malapit sa mga what do you call this, river, or kung malapit sa dagat, ayan, meron din sila. Ayan, so all those things. Alright, and then this one, meron din kami nito. Gano'n kalaki yung sa atin ito? Parang ganito? 10 liters or 5 liters? Hindi, ganito, 10 liters.
10 liters.
No? Ayan. So, ayan, kapag may mga gamit kayo, and then you're gonna go into the water, ayan, so ilalagay mo siya sa loob, and then this is waterproof. Ayan, kapag mas malaki, 30 liters eh.
Gamit natin sa Aqua.
Sa Aqua Planet. Yeah, ayun. Ayun sa resort na dala namin yan. And then, what else? Yan, yung mga bags na mga waterproof. So, those are the things that you may really need to have kapag magka-camping kayo. And, ayan, actually, yun, check na lang na namin yung tent na o-orderin namin. And I'm also gonna talk to one of the managers, no? Si Sir, kanina. Manager ba siya? Or, and let's see kung baka meron silang mga suggestions and kapag magka-camping. Hi sir, good evening. Pasensya na inistorbo namin kayo. First off, may I have your name?
Yes, sorry.
My name is Julius, resident mountaineer here at Decathlon North EDSA.
Resident Mountaineer. Alright, so, medyo matagal-tagal na kayo nag-mountaineering.
For mountaineering, I've been doing it for the last 10 years. Yep, and I've been working here for the last 2 years.
Ano yung sana? And actually, meron kami mga may mga viewers kami, kahit kami, mga tropa namin. Nagpupunta kami actually nagpunta kami ng Gulugod Baboy. That's one.
Yes.
Yun dito sa may Cavite going to Batangas, yung kalimutan ko isang mountain doon. Pico de Loro, yes. That's the other one. Pero ano yung isa sa mga probably the beginner and then yung sa tingin mong medyo challenging for the ones na medyo experience?
I see. Actually, there's a division kasi when it comes to mountaineers ngayon. Before in our time, our old heads, kami mga tito na ngayon sa larangan. May mga challenging before na madali na ngayon. Same goes sa mga madali before na medyo challenging na ngayon. So it varies from different mountains, different factors as well. But then, to name one of those, mga madadali, I would say siguro, unang pumasok sa isip ko, yes, still, Pico de Loro.
Pico de Loro.
Good for beginners. Actually, Calabarzon area really offers differently when it comes to that. Mount Batulao.
Yes.
Here in Tanay naman, we have Mount Maynuba, Mount Kayabu. Hindi ko sasabihin Mount Daraitan kasi yun yung sinasabi nila na and my experience as well, madali siya by paper. Pero once you're there, once different factors kicks in like yung ulan, mang-usapan na yan.
Okay, kasi medyo muddy na yung yung daanan talaga.
Exactly.
And it's going to be dangerous na.
Yep.
Yung yung sir sa inyo, yung pinaka maganda na what do you call this? Yung view itself and ano sa tingin niyo? Yung parang talagang yun yung gusto nilang puntahan.
Kasi ngayon when it comes to mountaineering, if you'll ask people na gusto ma-experience, ang lagi lang yung una sasagot sa Sea of Clouds.
Yes.
Which is Mount Pulag.
Mount Pulag,
But then to tell you, sir, as a mountaineer, sometimes it's not always the view yung gusto natin puntahan.
Yes.
Kasi, for example, Mount Pulag, yes, it offers you those, yung specific view na yun, but it won't guarantee you at all times. So, ang daming heartbroken na mountaineers din na, kasi na, for the first time, akala nila witness nila yun, but no, it doesn't work that way at all times. So,
and medyo mahirap ang pag-akit sa Mount Pulag na.
yes, may beginner-friendly na trail.
Na trail, yeah.
For Ambangeg, yes. Meron din yung mga for mga hardcore na, and
experience na talaga.
Experience talaga. And I would say, mas ma-appreciate mo kasi yung bundok if mahihirapan ka.
Yeah, exactly.
Exactly.
And also sir, eto yung camping naman, medyo dumadami na nagiging campers natin ngayon, no? Especially yung iba mga nagka-camper vans, yung iba naman mga beginners na napanood ng mga YouTubers na mga nagka-camping, mga ganyan. So katulad kami, we've been camping pero yung mga napupuntahan lang ng mga kotse kasi kotse lang naman ang gamit namin eh. So for the beginners, what are the most important things that you need to have para magka-camp? Kasi since nandito naman tayo sa Decathlon, so can you cite some items that you must have pagka beginner ka magka-camp? Yep.
Alright, first of all, we're going to start with the tent. So shelter. So regardless if may sasakyan ka or wala, if you're capable to bring your car or not, kailangan mo ng tent.
Okay.
So for the tents here in Decathlon, we are offering different ranges of tents from the 2-person tents up to family type tents up to 6 to 8-person. Yes, meron tayo dito. Aside from the tent, of course, you need chairs.
Yes.
Kasi you need to have your own activity on the campsite. Hindi ka lang naman pupunta doon para matulog. So chairs, rugs, tables as well. And yung panggabi natin, yung panggabi na items, yun yung mga pantulog.
Okay.
So what are those? To be honest, right now, the state of camping here in the Philippines is slowly heading with the term glamping.
Yes.
Kasi, ano yan? Siguro sa panahon namin, I'm having that division. We're camping to get that inconvenience ang gusto namin ma-experience. But then right now, times are changing. Kailangan na, may mga bata na sumasama. Like before, kung sino lang willing lumabas talaga. That's why meron ngayon, may kita ka na naka-airbed na.
Yes.
Before, sleeping bag lang kami. So we have airbeds, we have folding beds. Also, we have trolleys like this for convenience. Kasi
maraming
bibit-bitin. So we have waterproof lights.
Yes.
And ang wala lang tayo dito are stoves.
Stoves. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Yung mga butanes.
Butanes, yes. But then everything else, cook sets, other type of hardware sa kakailangan and even tarp sets, you all have that here.
And then sir, yung mga ano naman, yung mga medyo upgrades. Yung mga, it's not, hindi naman siya necessary to have, pero it's nice to have it kapag nagka-camp ka. Ano yun?
With that, give me a second. Siguro I'd start with the tarp. Yung ganito. Yung tarp na yan.
Yung mga ganon.
Yes,
Okay.
yung mga awning na yan, yung mga poles na yan. Why? Well, you'll ask me why. Kasi, if you're going to a camp, specific campsite, na may waterproof tent ka,
Yeah.
it's more than enough.
Okay.
It's more than enough.
Alright.
Pero meron tayong mga novelty items na
Yeah,
tinatawag.
yeah.
Before, we have here yung portable restroom. Parang
Okay.
shower tent, to be exact.
Ito yung parang bag na nilalagay tapos parang may something na pwedeng buksan kapag magsha-shower
Meron
ka.
tayong ganun. So, meron we have, actually set siya. So, may pump sa baba, then yung tent na shower area talaga.
Okay, yung pataas.
Yes. So, meron tayong, for example, nasa likod natin. This is one of the novelty items for big groups na tinatawag. So, you may have this an open shelter, living room base.
Okay.
So, ganyan. But then, siguro for me, I want people to focus more on what they need muna.
Yes, of course.
Kasi madali na lang. For me, eto airbeds, for example, I treat that as a novelty item as well.
Pwede ka naman matulog na
Naman nasa lapag lang tayo.
As long as okay yung yung lupa na Kasi may napuntahan kami before Antigas. So oo, parang siguro bato-bato talaga yung yun sa Quezon. Para talagang bato-bato. So, at that time, parang wala pa tayong wala pa tayong airbed noon time na yon. So, parang pinagpatong-patong lang namin yung mga beddings na lang or what, para ganun. So, airbed is a novelty or it's not necessarily you need to have it.
Yep.
Pero it's nice to really have it. Oo nga
Exactly.
naman kasi syempre kung maganda yung lugar, malamig, sarap din matulog kapag okay yung no.
So,
ano pa, sir?
Aside from the airbeds, siguro more of it katulad nun, yung camping lights, yung if you're familiar sir, yung fairy lights na tinatawag.
Yes, maliliit.
Maliliit. So, yes, may mga ganun din tayo here sa Decathlon. So,
meron din dito.
yes, it's one of part of our new range that was been launched this year.
Okay.
And also itong wagon na to, some of the campers opted to have that as well. Sa tables din, there are some novelty tables. Meron tayo dun sa part na yun, yung wooden table. Like, I would say,
This one's nice.
yes, actually, it's one of our best sellers right now.
Yung table na tinignan ko kanina. Ganda nun. Sobra.
So yun, actually, ang range ng camping ngayon, some of the ordinary items can be converted or can be treated as a novelty item. Maglalagay lang tayo ng onting add-on dyan. Maganda na siya. So it's just tweaking your own product
Nice.
for the masses as well.
Alright. Sige, sir. Let's invite na lang yung yung viewers natin na siguro yung mga they can look forward to dito sa Decathlon.
Yes, first of all, thank you for the opportunity. So, I want to invite everyone who wants to know more about sa camping, hindi lang sa camping, hiking or other sports as well. We are Decathlon. We have numerous branch here all over NCR and also in Cebu and soon to be Iloilo.
Oh, nice.
So yes, aside from that, we offer not just experiences but also quality products that are good for the budget when it comes to Filipino masses. So here North EDSA can hanapin Julius once again for the camping and hiking advices. Yes. Thanks.
Alright, sige sir. Thank you, Sir Julius.
Thanks, Sir Julius.
Salamat na salamat. And pinaul na ko mga aming ang bigla-bigla ang interview. Thank you. Ayun guys, punta na kayo dito Decathlon SM North dito. Pero marami, actually sobrang daming mga branches ng Decathlon. So, ayun guys, puntahan niyo na to kapag may kailangan kayo for any camping or any hiking or actually even other sports. Meron sila marami. Alright, see you.
Freestanding tent, mapapansin nyo, tiles tayo yung surface natin dito.
Okay.
Pero nakakatayo yung tent natin ka lang. Pero naman tayo mga dome type na tents na yun yung mga peg dependent na tinatawag. So si peg dependent, kailangan nakabaon siya lagi.
Yung mga ganan.
Exactly,
Or,
sir.
okay.
So yung mga yun, hirap siya gamitin sa dagat.
Okay.
Pag ginamit mo siya sa dagat, either you're going to add sand peg na tinatawag,
Okay.
or if yung traditional peg, medyo kailangan mo siyang i-adjust from time to time.
Kasi lusang sand.
Exactly, sir. Lusang sand.
Okay.
So yung mga freestanding tents na ganito, very flexible. Pwede mo siyang gamitin either sa dagat. Pwede rin sa campsites or traditional campsites sa mga bundok.
Okay.
That's why for now, for the last 2 years, it's one of our best-selling tent.
This one?
This specific model, yes.
Nice. Okay.
So, on an average, we're able to sell nung summer, 5 to 6 units per day.
Per day?
Per day, yes.
Kasi nga talaga nagbo-boom ng camping.
Nagbo-boom ang
ngayon
camping.
eh.
And if familiar ka sa mga campsites sa Tanay,
Yeah.
majority
Sa
ng mga
Treasure Mountain.
Treasure
mga
Mountain.
ganun,
Actually, majority of the tents na pinaparan nila.
Ganito.
Ganitong tent. So, biro nga sa amin nung sa mga park clients here na, sir, paggabi, hindi ko alam kung alin yung tent namin kasi pare-pareho kami. Baka pumasok ako sa iba.
Talaga merong marker.
Sa iba sir, nagmamarker talaga.
Maganda yung mga labas.
Oo.
Mm.
Yung markers. Yung ganun.
Yeah, it's a funny joke pero totoo siya sir.
This is nice. Tsaka yung brand actually, talagang natuwa kami dyan sa brand.
Thank you, sir. Ako naman, what I guarantee, sir, sa resident mountaineer dito, for aside from the recommendation of the tent, is here in Decathlon as well, we take our words or we take our promise when it comes to post-service sales.
Yeah.
Yun yung 2 years warranty na meron tayo. So if you have experienced any factory defect dito sa tent natin, like leaking sa waterproofing,
Okay.
may problema yung tahi niya, stitches, yung seam niya, pwede nyo ibalik dito sir for assessment, and that covers the warranty itself. Also with the poles, kung problema yung poles natin,
Bigla naputol or what. Mga ganun.
yes sir, we offer repair, and good thing about it is that we have spare parts for any of the models that we have.
Nice.
So yan.
Nice. And guys, kapag bumili kayo dito, hindi kayo mahirapan sa spare parts. Hindi kasi yun yung diba? Yun yung isa sa mga pinaka-problem talaga. Pag bumili kayo somewhere, let's say I'm not saying na pangit lahat ng nabibili online. No. Okay, may mabili kayo online and then something happened, most of the time mahihirapan kayo sa spare parts. Lalo na yung mga poles, yan, kapag naputol, ang hirap maghanap ng mga ganyan. So, ayan guys, that's the good thing about having or buying something na nasa isang store. Kasi lalo na katulad nito sa Decathlon, kasi with this one, ang maganda dito is they're really complete, no? In terms of yung the whole itself or the spare parts, they have it everything. They also have post sales, customer service, 2 years, no? Ang warranty, warranty, ano bang coverage ng
Yes, for the warranty, you must be a member, of course.
Okay.
Good thing about it is we offer free membership.
Yung
So aside from the warranty, yung perks pa natin, magkaka-point system na rin
Ah,
tayo.
yeah.
So if you buy more,
ba't di tayo nagpa-member last time? Last time, di tayo nagpa-member. O kasi pasarado na sila nun.
might be sir. No worries, I still have an hour after this.
Ayan, so basta member, no, sir? Okay. And then?
So yes, aside from the 2 years warranty, right now kasi digital age na tayo.
Yeah.
So before, you need to have your physical receipt para
Yeah,
makapag-avail ng warranty or return exchange. Right now, we have it on our own database.
Okay.
Dala mo yung dala mo yung receipt mo or hindi, the physical receipt, we can search for it.
Kasi nasa account na siya.
Yes sir, nasa account mo na.
Okay,
So,
that's nice.
so
Alright.
yan, napaka-seamless ng process.
Ayun, isa sa mga problema nyo, nawawalan kayo ng resibo, hindi nyo alam kung saan nyo nilagay. Ayan, meron na silang account. So, once you buy something here, by the way, bago ka maging member, meron bang minimum amount?
Actually sir, good thing about it is wala.
Wala. So, kahit itong maliit lang na item na nila, wala yan, 150 na nabili ko, you can already be a member. Wow.
Actually, you can done it online on your homes as well.
Okay.
Kasi you can just browse our website,
Yeah.
just click sign up.
Okay.
Then, ganun siya kasimple.
Ganun lang kabilis. Alright. Ayun. Guys, sobrang dali lang pala. Okay, so yan. I'll put the link down. No? Ano yung link, sir? Kung sakali.
You can search it directly to our website, decathlon.ph.
Decathlon.
.ph, sir,
Decathlon.ph.
Yep, .ph.
Ayan, okay. So, decathlon.ph, hindi .com.ph, decathlon.ph. So, once you go to the website, there should be like a registration link there or sign up link. Click nyo lang yun, mag-login na kayo doon. And sign up, register kayo doon online. Then you'll already have your account created. And then every time that you're going to buy something in any branch of Decathlon, whether here in Metro Manila, sa ibang lugar, and then the other one is Iloilo, magkakaroon sila sa Iloilo within the year. Within the year, hopefully within the year. Ayan, yung mga Ilonggo, ng mga natin viewers na magkakaroon na kayo ng Decathlon dyan. Ayan, so once you created your account and then, just register, and then once you buy something in any branch of Decathlon, you will have your account, anything, items, nandun na lahat. Kumbaga yung transaction nandoon. So, if you misplace your receipt, walang problema. Andun, makikita nila yan. Alright. So, ayan. Check out muna natin. Bayaran na muna natin. And then, check din tayo kung meron pang mga ibang items na yan. Thank you, Sir Julius.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Very much welcome, Sir
Thank
Jason.
you. Tara.
Yeah.
And guys, dito meron din sila mga gamit for working out. Yan, merong mga tawag doon, treadmill. Meron din sila mga weights. They also have gloves for boxing. What else? Ayan, yung mga mats. Ayan, may mga mats if you need mats. Ito rin yung mga gloves. Ayan, mga gloves. Ayan. Ayan, tapos yun yung mga weights, dumbbells. Ayan. Okay guys, so dito sa Decathlon, kapag card payment kayo, meron silang self-checkout. So, dito. Nakita nyo yan, meron na dito option for I already have a loyalty card, can create membership, tapos I'm not a member. So, sorry, hindi kita yata sa, sige medyo maliwanag. Pero anyway, ang advice dito is kung sakaling meron na kayong account with Decathlon. So dito kayo sa may left side, yung I already have a loyalty card. So kapag ito yung clinic ninyo, if you have the physical card, you can scan it or you can log in via email. So kapag nag-login ka ng via email, ito naman yan. So you just need to type in your email address and then click on OK. Then you should be able to log into the account. Tapos pwede ka na mag-self-checkout. Ayan guys, so ayan, nakapagbayad na kami. So, hindi na ako nakapag-ano kanina. Si Freddie Mercury eh. Biglang pumasok. But anyway, ang gagawin mo lang dito is, yes, after your products, teammates, check out. Alright, so, ayan. So, after checking out, again, self-checkout, yung item, so katulad nito, for example, ilalagay mo na siya dito. So, this one, scanner na talaga siya. And then once you're able to log in dito, magka-appear na kagad yung mismong transaction. And then for payment, of course, ito na naman. Alright, so dun sa creation ng account, actually let me show it to you right now. No? So dito yung kapag create membership, instead of you doing the creating of the account dito, advisable daw na gawin siya sa may app. No? So pagka pumunta ka sa, if you're using what do you call this? If you're using Android, no, look for this one and Decathlon shopping app. Alright, so ako kaka-download ko lang sa kanya, and then i-enter nyo lang yung information na required, email address, password. May mag-send pala ng code sa may email niyo, so you need to have an access to your email. And then once you're able to log in, ganito yung magiging itsura niya. Ayan. So you can either enable the notification or not now. And then yan. Tapos may kita nyo rin yung points ninyo. Yan. May membership card and then you have your points. So if you have this, and ito yung pwede nyo i-scan dun para makapag-login. Alright. My points, rewards, and then so you just need to log in, agree. Right. Ayan, so meron kayong mga pwede nyong gamitin. So if you have 1,000 points, 100,000 voucher, 2,500, 250, and then so on and so forth. Alright. So, ayan lang guys. So, again, if you're looking for equipment, items that you need for camping, for hiking, for sports, or anything at all, kung naghahanap kayo ng isang store na nandoon na lahat, and then you also have spare parts na available, hindi kayo mahihirapan, quality itself as well, sobrang ganda ng quality ng mga items dito. So you can go to any Decathlon stores. They also have warranties. They're very good with post sales or customer service. Ayun yung isa daw sa talagang pinapakita nila, or talagang kumbaga doon sila kilala sa post service or post sales service. So ayun. So again, thank you for watching this video. Pupunta na naman kami sa isang camping site, pero malamang doon ulit sa pinagpuntahan namin last time sa Ilog Kamalig. Pero of course may kasama na kami ng iba, and definitely we're gonna use the items that we bought here in Decathlon. So ayan, thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please click on the subscribe button sa baba. Click on the notification bell para updated kayo sa lahat ng videos natin. Follow our Facebook page as well. Same thing, yung link nasa my description. So again, thank you for watching. This is Jason. See you in the next one.